Students, this question was asked in IIT JEE Main 2022. Momentum P, area A and time T are taken as fundamental quantities. The dimensions of coefficient of viscosity are. Okay students, what is momentum P? The formula for momentum P is mv. Okay students, so the dimensions of P will be equal to m, L, T minus 1. So this will be ml T minus 1. And what will be the dimensions of area, student? We know area is length into breadth, L into B. So its dimensions will be length into length or L square. What is the dimensions of T? That is obviously T, capital T in square bracket. Okay students. Then what is the dimensions of coefficient of viscosity, students? We know from Stokes' law F is equal to 6 pi eta RV. If a ball of radius r moves through a viscous liquid of coefficient of viscosity eta with a velocity v, then students, the viscous force acting on the ball is given by F is equal to 6 pi eta RV. From this equation we get the dimensions, the formula for eta is F by 6 pi RV. And the dimensions of eta will be dimensions of F upon dimensions of 6 pi into dimensions of R and dimensions of V. What is dimensions of force, student? That is M L T minus 2, and that of 6 pi is a number, so it is dimensionless, and R is L, it is radius is length, and V is L T minus 1, the rate of change of displacement. So students, this L cancels out, and this becomes, this L goes upside, this is minus 1, and T minus 1 goes upper side and becomes plus 1, so this becomes T to the power minus 1. So M L minus 1 T minus 1 is the dimensional formula for coefficient of viscosity. So student, we have to write eta is equal to P to the power A to the power B, and T to the power C, and find out the coefficients, values of coefficients A, B, C to get the proper formula. So we write, students, here M L minus 1 T minus 1 as what is momentum? Momentum we found is equal to what is it? MLT minus 1, MLT minus 1 to the power A, and what is A? Area is L2 to the power B, and time T to the power C. So student, this becomes M to the power A into L to the power A into T to the power minus A into L to the power 2B into T to the power C. So student, this becomes M to the power A into L to the power A plus 2B. Okay student, A plus 2B and T to the power minus A plus C. Students, we know from the homogeneity of the dimensions, we know the dimensions of physical quantity, mass, length and time to the left hand side of an equation are the same as that of the right side of an equation. Okay students, so what is the dimensions of eta? That is M L minus 1 T minus 1. This is in the left hand side and this is in the right hand side. So this is 1. So that means A is equal to 1 and A plus 2B is equal to how much? That is minus 1. Okay student, this is the exponent of the length in left hand side is minus 1. In the right hand side, the exponent of length is A plus 2B. So A plus 2B is equal to minus 1. Or student, 2B is equal to minus 1 minus A means minus 1. We have the value A is equal to minus, A is the 1. So this becomes minus 2. So B is equal to minus 2 by 2 is equal to minus 1. Okay student, minus A plus C is equal to how much? This is having dimensions minus 1. So C is equal to minus 1 plus A is equal to minus 1 plus A. A means 1. So C is equal to 0. So we may write here eta is equal to P to the power A means 1. A to the power area to the power B means what is B? B is minus 1 and time to the power C means 0. 1 minus 1 0 is the right answer. Where is it? 1 minus 1 0. It is in option A. So option A will be correct, students.